recording. dl.html. Click on this, give the file name dl.html and enter. dl.html. Now under the dl.html file, we can write the HTML open and close. Will not follow many tags, will follow directly body tag, open and close. Under body tag again, under the body tag again, you will write one h1 and write here call DL definition list example. Definition list example. Definition list example. Now h1 become the sub element of body tag and body become the sub element of HTML tag. Okay. Next, after this h1, after the h1, we'll write here call DL. DL open and close.
Sir, excuse me, what is H1? I didn't get.
H1 you have not covered the first classes. H1 I have explained in the first class.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll share the video today. You can have a look. It used to create the headline of the page.
Okay.
In page, what you are implementing related to that, you have to display a heading. This page is for what purpose?
Okay.
We are implementing the DL. So if suppose someone will open this page, they should know this page is for DL purpose.
Okay.
Implementation also for that, what we did, we created the heading for that. Right? We created the heading for that. When someone will open this page, they'll come to know this example is a definition list.
So I have to go back to that video. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next, after this, under the DL tag, we have an option called DT, the child element called DT. Write DT, write anything. Where is Bangalore in India? One question. Now for that, so many people will reply the answer that will get quoted under the DD. DD open and DD close. Now you keep inside some answer, college AP. Next DD. Karnataka. Next DD. MP. Next DD. Karnataka. So this become the multiple. This become the multiple answer for one question. One is the title and 4 are the definition details. After writing this file, we will run it. After writing this file, save your file. Control S, we need to press.
Sir, yeah. Why you have mentioned DD Karnataka twice?
We posted a question on internet.
Yeah.
We posted a question on internet.
Yes.
There are unlimited users on internet.
Okay.
Out of unlimited, 100 user replied Karnataka, 100 user replied Mumbai.
Okay, I got it. This is the reply from the users.
Users.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now We'll come to the run. You should save the file and go to the run. And in that you have option called start with debugging after once you come in JavaScript. Now we can run here, start run without debugging is okay. We can just select the Chrome and after that this will appear in your browser.
Oh,
Something like this. I have just zoom out the screen so it will look bigger. It says where in the Bangalore in India. So then first option, one reply AP, second option Karnataka, third is MP, fourth is also Karnataka, right? Maybe multiple people will reply here. Someone will write the description also. It's in Karnataka, it's something, right? So that can be one line or that can be 10 line. Okay? So that is called a, which one? Definition title and definition
title,
details. Okay.
details, definition, details.
Automatically it will come after some space. Okay, that is designed in such a way it will come after some space. Come now. You can also zoom out and see. We have next, we will add the font size, we will add the font color, then it will look more attractive. Come down. So hope everyone is able to run the page.
Oh, we have to do that here, sir.
Yes, sir. Destination is to be a software engineer.
Yeah, but I was not aware. I'm very sorry. How to, okay.
Okay, next example you can try, you can leave this. Next example you can
No,
follow.
I have to open in my Visual Studio, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You have to
Okay, I have
open
to
the
minimize
code.
here.
Yeah, you have to follow me. You can make half a screen in the left side, half a
Okay.
screen in the right side. From there we can run.
Yeah, very.
Or many people will log in mobile. They'll put the mobile somewhere,
This is good idea,
right?
sir.
And then they will write the code there in the laptop. Watching the movie, what is the benefit? Right?
I was
In YouTube
making
also there are a lot of
note.
videos, no? One
Yeah,
person made 200, 300 video only in HTML. Now to see one 15-minute video and implement, you need 1.5 hours. You have to play, listen, pause, write the code. Again, play, pause, and write the code. Correct? So 15-minute video need minimum 1.5 hours. Okay, so better now write. Okay. Next example you can write. If you have not followed this, no problem. Try next.
yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. So DLDT we have written. So for how many people have tried, they should let me know. Is their page is running? Chat you have option. Through chat you can reply, or in the chat also you can write yes, no, or in the chat also you can write the question. It will keep coming. Okay, so some people have tried, very good. See, writing only will make with the developer. The target is first 4-5 days I'll teach you. Now 4-5 days, from the 6 days. 5 days I'll teach you, and from 6 days we want some return from you. What is that? Homework. Okay, so if you do from beginning, then only from the 6 days you will be able to do something. And there is also record something like that. Some people will only watch. Some people will only watch. Those people who will only watch, in that only 10% people will join. 90% people will feel difficult after 4th, 5th class. Okay, clear. So we should write the code. Like this code in my system, there should be now 20 folders should be there, and in every folder similar example. That meaning what? I have already written this 10,000 plus time. I'm not writing 1,000 times. I'm writing how many times? 10,000 plus times. Okay. Still I'm writing so that you will follow me. And once you follow, automatically in few days you will take the pickup. Okay. So that is the. Let's go next. Now the one DT open and close. Then for that we follow some DD. Right. Next after that, here you open one more DT now. One more DT open and close. And in that DT, write one more question. Write one more question. Something job condition we can write in India. Job condition in India. Few days before, I saw a news. One more company is going to remove 10,000 employees till March. Which company? A reputed company. World 1 to 3 company. World 1 to 3 company. Huh? Microsoft. Okay, so knowledge is matter. If knowledge better, none of the company will feel like terminate those people who have no knowledge. If the company will remove the knowledge people, then definitely project will get stopped. Company will also close. Company will never remove the useful employee. They remove always those employees, those are sitting and eating. Okay. Job condition in India. Let's write here called good. 1% replied. One more person replied, very good. One more person replied, college. Okay. One more person replied.
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
Hmm.
Sir, I have opened this, create a new project, and it is showing, console app, class library, MS test project, and all.
Next file you can follow. VS Code is opened. Visual Studio you have opened.
Yes, sir. Next, I have done next. Okay.
Next file, once we create, from there you can follow.
Oh yeah, project name and all. Okay.
Now, next we have to write call.
So it is showing framework.NET 7.0 standard term support. That's what create.
You have downloaded the Visual Studio for .NET. You should download the VS Code editor.
VS
Code editor.
Code editor. Right now, I'll do that, sir.
VS Code editor.
Yeah, I'll do.
Okay, now let's check now. Both the DL will be starting from the DT will be starting from beginning, and DD will be the part of. It should look like this. Now we require some space here. After Karnataka, there should be little space. So we have a independent tag that is called BR. Independent tag, what is the definition of that? Those tags that open and close together. So BR tag we open also and close also. Slash will come in the last, that represent the open and close. If slash come in the beginning, that represent only close. Okay, but if slash come in the last, that's called open and close. You can see difference here, no? In DD case, you can see slash is in the beginning only. That represent it's only for the closing purpose. But in BR case, you can see slash is in the last. So a starting represent open, functionality happen, and slash represent end. Okay, that is called self-closing tag, independent tag. BR will break the line. Now, how much it will break the line? From computer, once we press the enter key, how many line break will happen? One enter key, one line break will happen. BR is just like that. One BR is one enter key. So after Karnataka, one enter key will happen and then it will display in the browser. So BR is not as a, you can say enter key, it has different something, but it work like what we press the enter key in the system. I press enter key, one line break happen, right? Similar way, BR once you add in the browser, one line break will happen. Sometime you want lot of space, then no problem. Follow 4 times BR. 4 times BR means 4 break, You write here call enter means you wanted 3-line break. You press 3 time BR. Similar way in browser, if you want 3-line BR, then write 3 time BR. We are talking in HTML only. Using CSS, we have some other option. Okay. Now come. So we can see now space happen 1 BR. If suppose this 1 BR is not sufficient, we can give 1 more BR. But sometime you will say 1 BR is giving more space. I want half. That HTML will not help you. You have to take from the CSS. To not to give a lot of space, give less space. Pixel wise 0.5, 0.125, point anything, whatever we want, we can write. Okay, so we got what is the structure of DL, DT and DD, DT and DD. This is the tag, right? This is the structure of the tag, and that appear like this. By default, it will display small font size. Just I have made it a zoom out. So by default, it look like this. By default, it look like this. Okay. Okay. Come next. Next, we will create another example. Next, we'll create another example. In that example, we are going to understand some tags related to text formatting. Like sometime you want to display text in the bold, what is the tag for that? You want to display text in the italic, what is that? You want to display in red color, how to do that? You want to increase little font size, what is that? How to do, correct? So that come under the text formatting tag. Okay, text formatting tag. So this DL was written already in the developer guide. This all we have written now. Next, create another file, we'll implement, then we'll write it. Next file you write text formatting tag.html. Text formatting tag.html. File name text formatting tag.html. Any file name you give, no problem, but file name should be meaningful. The file name should represent what is inside. Okay. Text formatting tag.html is a file name. Okay, I came in the Notepad++. That is the one bad habit. I should go here where under the VS Code. In VS Code, you will click on file and write here call text formatting.html. Text formatting.html. File name text formatting.html. Okay, text formatting tag. Let's follow the HTML. HTML open close and follow the body tag. H1 you write text formatting tags example. Text formatting tags example. text formatting tags example. Come down. We'll follow one paragraph. P tag. Using the P tag, you can display the text data. It's like a book paragraph. In book, how we read the hard copy, and then inside that, the 4 line in one paragraph, 4 line in another paragraph, 4 line in another paragraph. Exact same here in the web technology, in web application. When you want to display some text data in the browser, you can use a tag called this one. Call it a P tag. Okay. We cannot say paragraph. Its name is called P. Okay. We from our side we call it a paragraph. Okay. It used to display that like as a paragraph. Tag name is not paragraph. Tag name is P only. Okay. And for every tag we don't have anything full form. Like DL is a definition list. UL is have called unordered list. Now similar way for P, there is no something called paragraph. People call from their self P called paragraph, P for paragraph. P used to display the text like is a paragraph. Okay. Now in one paragraph, how many line will display? In book, how many paragraph line will be there in one paragraph? 5, 6, 10, 3, 4, something like that. Not 100 line. Correct? 100 line if you display one place, no one will read your article. People will feel like, oh, we have so much content. But if the same 100 line, if you break into 20 paragraph, 5 line, a person will read first line, they'll feel like, okay, something interesting. They'll read next, they'll read all. Okay. People read or not, that is not matter. But Google Analytics says like, if your text is huge text one place, as a human, you will not feel comfortable to read it. Okay. Same text, if we break into multiple paragraph and display in front of someone, people will feel, okay, let me read first 2 line. If it is a meaningful, then they'll read the remaining. Okay. Those all are the part of content writing. The people who write the content and they'll produce the content for the web pages. Okay. When you open the website, content will be there. No, who write the content? Content writer. That is a different designation in the market. Content writer who is responsible to write only content. Okay. News, when we see on the newspaper website, content come from there. Editor will be there. No, market executive. And the journalist, they'll collect the material, they'll select the topic, the content will be given to whom? Editor and all, they will prepare the content and then that is done, right? Similar way, when you are developer, you are going to develop the website, you cannot write entire product description. There will be different people who will write the description and they'll give you the content. Saying like, this is the paragraph, first paragraph, this is second paragraph, this is the detailed description. Those you will take and you will add in the page and display. Okay, developer will not write the content. Content will be written by content writer. They will be very good in English. They will have very good knowledge in the grammar. They will have understanding on the particular topic. Okay, they write the content. Okay, so paragraph is going to help you to display the content in something like this. You can write anything, no problem. Okay, not write like this. Write like this. All this is simple text, the first line. Second, you will write in bold. Few content will keep in bold. So for that, we'll write it is in bold. It is in college bold. It is in bold. Next, we will write again some text. Write I. This is italic. This is italic. Bold, italic. This is bold. This is italic. Underline. This is underline. This is underline. Okay. Bold, italic, underline. Now next we will write one more tag called font tag. Font, F-O-N-T. Font. Right. This is red. This is red. This is red. So in font is the tag name, and it has a property called color. COLOR. Color spelling is different in programming. In programming, color spelling is different. COLOR, color. Okay, so color as a red. Write one more, font only. Keep their color blue. It is blue. It is blue. And there is one more property called size. How bigger you want to display the text. Text should be small or text should be bigger. How it should be. Text size start from 1 and go till 7. 1 is the minimum and 7 is the maximum. Minimum in the sense smallest. 1 will be the smallest font size and 7 will be the largest font size. Okay. Save now. Run this page again. It will show you the text. It will show you the text in different bold, italic, underline, something. You will see everything will print in one line. Save it. Let's check once. So for 2% is running. It should look like this. I'll go to the run again. Run. Select the Chrome. It will open in Chrome and you can see something like this. Correct? It says B is making as a bold. I is making as a italic. You have made as a underline. Font has changed the color. And here font has changed the color and size both. Okay, so we found one solution how we can change the color and how we can change the font size also. Okay, 7 you have written. Change 100 and see any difference happen or not. Font size 7, change to 100 and see any difference happen, become big or remain same. No changes, right? Because maximum is 7. If you write 100 also, it will not change. Okay, 6 you try, 5 you try, 1 you try, 1 to 7, any number is okay, but more than 7 not exist. It will take highest as a 7 only. More than 7 if you want, then we have to write the CSS code and we have to write the size in pixel or maybe multiple measurement we have, we can increase it. If size is 7 only maximum, then how big board will come in the market? Big board will come, no advertisement board, right? There the font will be such a big, one font will be 200 kg like that. So those how it will come, correct? So those happen through the Corel Draw. In Corel Draw, people design and then they'll do the printing. So similar way in CSS also we have option. CSS we have option pixel, 1000 pixel. See how bigger, such a big. Okay, we can write pixel as well as we have EM, we have REM, 2-3 measurement we have. Using that we can. But here in HTML, maximum is 7. Okay, next
Sir,
after that.
excuse me, sir. Sir,
Tell
how
me,
to
sir.
run, sir? I have typed, but I am unable
Okay.
to.
File
Little bit.
extension is HTML.
Yeah, HTML.
Okay, go here in run
Okay.
and then click on run without debugging.
Okay.
It will ask you, okay, mine is already running, so I have to stop first. So run and then, okay.
Sir, web app
Next.
Chrome, right?
Then you will see here web app Chrome.
Yeah.
Just select the web app Chrome. It will open in web app Chrome automatically.
Yes, it has. But it
Open.
is opened again in the same code as displaying.
Okay, same code is displaying, that meaning your HTML, the extension is not as HTML. File
Okay.
extension is something else.
No, the last two lines 13 and 14, that is body and HTML, I have not typed.
No. Entire everything is displaying in the browser. This entire code is
No,
displaying.
last two lines. Last two lines it is not displaying, sir. I have not typed that. I have
Okay,
typed
so,
only till P.
so till here it is printing.
No. The coding what I have written is still code 11, line 11. Till there I have written.
No.
The
I'm
remaining two,
talking
body and HTML.
when you selected the Chrome, so
Yes,
it
sir.
is displaying in the browser like this, or code is
No.
displaying. What is
Chrome
displaying?
is displaying, sir.
This code is not coming here, no code.
No.
Output is like this.
No. Output code is coming. What I have typed till.
That only I'm trying to say. Your file extension is not HTML. Your file extension is .txt.
Okay, sir.
So we have to do the right click on the file.
Okay.
And then we need to select the rename.
Okay, sir.
Rename. While doing rename, you need to click here and change the extension .html and enter.
Okay.
File will convert into HTML and then it will display the output.
Sir, I have to go to file and I have to do it, right?
Anywhere you do rename it, change the extension of the file, and then you can run it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so for other people, hope it work. Next, after this, so this is bold, italic, underline, font tag. We will be using anywhere throughout the page. Whenever we create the page, when we want to create the bold, we can we can use the B tag. When we want to change the color, we will use the font tag. When we want to increase the size, we can use font with size. Okay, and then it will work. Now, in this font tag, you can see font is the tag name and color is the property, and red is the value. Again, size is the property and 7 is the value. So HTML have limited property and value. Okay, that is the problem with HTML. This property value what you are writing, correct? This property value is limited. Because of this limitation, HTML can design the page, but it will not be what we wanted. Okay, it will display the output, but in limited design, limited look and feel, limited color combination. Okay, so that will be the problem from the limitation from the HTML side. When you go in CSS tag is not there. In CSS, you don't have font tag, you don't have bold tag, you don't have italic tag. You have only this much, property and value. Only property value we have in CSS. Now in HTML, you have only tags with the limited property value, and in CSS, we have only property value. So what people do in the market, CSS is rich in property value. So we'll take entire property value from the CSS. And HTML is rich in tag. We'll take all tags from the HTML. Now you take an entire advantage of HTML as a tag and entire advantage of CSS, that's called list of property value. You combine together and whatever design it. Okay, that is called creating a responsive web page. Now we'll leave this file and come to the another file. So your page is running. Next file we can create. Okay. Next file we can create. Give the file name call. Two file we are going to create. Or first you can make a list of this. Come to developer guide. In developer guide, right here. Tags for or text formatting tags. 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 You have follow, one is called B, another one is called I, another one is called U, next is called a font. Bold, italic, underline, B, I, U as well as font. Okay. We have some more tag, we'll add in this, but let's look into the next example. Next example will guide you how to link the pages. Suppose if you are creating the pages, home page, about page, contact page, login page, service page, correct? How to link the pages. Okay, so in HTML, we have a tag called, E tag, call it the anchor tag, okay? Using anchor tag, we can link the pages. On internet till date, whichever the website we have browsed, and wherever you click a new page open, all are linked through that tag only. The tag is called E tag. Okay, so let's write how to link the pages. How to link the pages using HTML. How to link the pages using HTML. How to link the pages using HTML. Okay, so we have one tag called, we can write here first. A is the tag name. It has a property called href. In font you saw, what was the property? Size as well as color. Using size, you have set the font size. Using color, you have set the color. Correct. Similar way here, under the E tag, using E tag, A is a tag name, whereas href is the property name. So this property, what it will do? This property will make a link from current page to next page. Okay, like suppose I write here called login.html. Now you have to provide some text where user will click. So we'll write here called go to login and close the A tag. It's a dependent tag. It is dependent tag. Go to login. So what will happen in browser? One hyperlink will generate. And that hyperlink will be this text. Okay, go to login will be hyperlink. And when you click on go to login, it will send you to this file, login.html. But this line is representing login.html should be within the same folder. If login.html is available in different folder, that we have to write in different way. That is the next level of understanding. You are written here text to login, go to login. Instead of text, there will be one image also. You can put an image also. When you click on image, it will go to the next page. Okay, so instead of text, it can be anything. So what we have, let me write it here. Many other things are there. Inside, 3 more properties are there. Write it. What is that? One is called target. Target. Okay. You have already experienced from internet. Sometime when you click on link, it opens a new tab. Sometime when you click on the link, it opens a pop-up window. Right? New tab. When you click on the Naukri.com, today you open and try. Click on any job details, it will go to the new tab. Right? That come from here. That come from which property? Target property. And target is of 6. It was 7 type, but 1 type is removed. Now pending is of 6 types. Like when the user will click on the link, you can open the login.html using 6 ways. Okay, in that 1 or 2 you remember. When you click, new tab will open. When you click, pop-up window will open. That is the game of this one. Which one? Target. In Gmail, if you remember, when you click in the left side, inbox, sent item, something, we click in the left side, you will feel entire page will not reload. You will click in the left and content will change in the right. Today you need to open and check once. Log into your Gmail, click in the link in the left side, you will see the content will change in the right side. That is also game of this one. Which one? Target equal to something. So that is of how many types? 6 types. We will be learning. It was 7 types, but 1 is gone from market. People not use that. Okay, total are 6 types. Okay. In that 6 types, few are frequently used, few are according to need. Few are based on HTML and few are based on JavaScript. When you click and new tab will open, that happens through HTML. New tab. When you click pop-up window open, that happens through JavaScript. Okay, so there also this plays the role. Gmail, when you click left side and content change right side, that also happens through the JavaScript library. Using JavaScript also we can do, and through JavaScript, React, Angular, and multiple VR. Okay, so let's come. Target. Target define where the file should open. File will open, that is a true, but where it will open, that will get decided by whom? Target. Okay. Now, suppose you created the page. You uploaded on internet. Okay. Multiple links are there. So user will open the page, they will click on go to login, they will open that, go ahead. Fine. User will understand this is for login page. Now, when someone will search Info Campus student login page, how the Google will display the page? Google should know where is the login page in Info Campus for a student login, right? That come from here. That's called a title. So title is for the digital marketing. Okay, so that someone will search on internet and Google will understand and the Google will display this page only. And this text is for what purpose? For user click. User will click on this. And this is for what purpose? Where the page has to open. And this is for what purpose? What page has to open. Clear? So how many? href to set the path for the next file. Target, where the file will open. Title, to search in Google for digital marketing. Okay. So we can write below one small note, then we can create example. See, people call life is short and art is long. It's written on internet. Life is short and art is long. That meaning there is a lot of things to learn on internet, but human life is limited. How long you will learn, right? So in technology also, each and every line is filled with the description. Now, how much to explain? Correct or not? See, in this line, how many we found? We found many things. Now, target related, we have to create the pages. There are 6 ways we need to example you. title related, I need to open the InfoCampus page and search on internet and show you how it happened. Correct. And then this HREF, we have to create another file and we need to implement it. So we'll see. Let's come right here. A, write A. What is the A? It is called, it is tag name. It is tag name. A is a tag name. HREF. HREF. Name of property. It is a name of property, we can write. It is name of property. It is name of property. Used to set the path for next page. Okay, it is the name of property used to set path for next page. Path for next page. Path means URL, destination, where need to go. Okay, it can be within server also, and it can be out of server also. You provide a link and click on that, it should go to the Google. So that is out of your server. Okay. So it's called HREF. It is the name of property used to set path for next page. Next, what is called target. Target. Target, as I told you, it will help you to define the location of file. File will open, but where it should open? That is the question. So we can write here, it used to set the location for next file. It used to set location for next file. I guess we can write here to be open. To be open. It set the location for next file to be open. Like where the next file is going to open, that location will get set by which property? Target property. It has 6 types. I will be guiding maybe tomorrow or next class. Okay, next we have called which one? Title. We can write, it introduce the hyperlink to Google. Okay, it introduce your hyperlink to the home, Google. Okay, the title property will explain to the Google, when someone search here, please display this page. Suppose example, in title I'll write here, for just understand, info, what is that? INFO. InfoCampus is student login. Suppose this page inside our website, there is a link, and in that link, this tag is added called InfoCampus student login. Suppose someone search on internet, InfoCampus student login, correct? Now, as soon as this link will be added in the website, within 24 hours, 30 hours, or 3-4 days, Google will have idea. Okay, Google will come to our website and they'll scan this text and store in their database. Tomorrow, someone will come and search on internet. Internet in the sense Google, InfoCampus student login page. Then Google database will say this is available in InfoCampus website. Display their page. So people will search in internet, and in Google will display our page directly. This is the page from here you can log in. So at that time, which text will be helpful? People will search on internet this text, and this same text is added in our service website, and the same text will go to the Google database. Now all 3 party content will match. Automatically Google will display this is the page you are searching for. Okay, so this is for what purpose? Digital marketing. So you can write simple, it is for digital marketing. 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 Now you will create 2 files, link1.html and one more file, link2.html. Create 2 files, link1.html and link2.html. Link 1.html as well as link 2.html. Created link 1, link 2. Go to the link 1 page. HTML open close. Body also open close. Inside body, you write h1 tag. Welcome to first page. Welcome to first page. Write a p tag. Print some 2-3 line. Okay. Next, after this p tag, you will write one href equal to next file. Where you want to go? Link 2.html. You will write here called go next. Go next. Noted. Run once. Hyperlink will come. This page will give you a hyperlink. It should look like this. Correct. Hyperlink is coming. When we click, it will go to the next file. Next file is blank, so it will not display anything. Next file is blank. Working. We'll copy everything from this file and paste into second file, link 2.
Yeah, it's working, sir.
Everything copy from the link 1 and paste into link 2. Everything copy from the link 1 and paste into link 2. And in link 2, welcome to second page. Welcome to second page. And from the second page, it has to go to the first page. Go back. This is the second page. From the link 2, you need to go to the link 1. And from link 1, you need to go to the link 2. Save this.
Yes.
Coming. So both the pages should be hyperlink. From second, we can go to first. From first, we can come to second.
Sir, how to get, sir, I'm getting the output in the Chrome, but you know where I'm not, it is not showing me the link.
Link, this line is missing.
No, those thing, everything output I am getting. Left side, I could see down arrow that what your HTML. No. Output, yeah, I got the output. Yes. But when you come the same page, left side, HTML, there are some links, right? Those things I'm not getting.
You have only one file, no? You may click on this one.
Yeah, I did.
If you click, then it will collapse expand.
It shows only one empty.
So you have only one file.
So I can add on, right?
No, you can add here. There is a file here called name.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so pages are working, right? Okay. Next, what we will do on this number 8881660608 8881660608. In this number, you have to WhatsApp. You have to WhatsApp your name. Your name. Then after that, they will create a group in WhatsApp. And in that group, they will also add me as a group admin. And then I will post you the video link. You can have a look. 8881660608. WhatsApp your name in this number. The counselor will create a group. And after creating the group, they will add